And they're underway, and Wood Creek is out well in lane number 4. Wood Creek and Vacaville. Wood Creek and Vacaville. And it's Wood Creek. Wood Creek, Vacaville, and Sheldon. And it's Wood Creek. Wood Creek wins it in 41-29. Sheldon advances the state meet in 42-27. And Vacaville advances the state meet, matching their seasonal best, 42-32. Granite Bay is fourth at 40.